Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to another beautiful hot day. We're walking the Antung 5 Street. Check this out, so many new places. I'm so excited. It is very nice weather again, but a little bit too hot maybe, guys. We're gonna go to the left and explore some new streets here. And weather-wise, it's hot, guys. I would say we have arrived in the summer. There's still a little bit more wind, so it is not unbearable, but be aware, it is super hot, guys. And I talked with a lot of guys today already, and they all said it's way hotter than usual. Way hotter than usual. Scoopy. New place going constructed everywhere. I'm actually filming the whole day today, a video. So be aware, be warned. A new social semi video is coming up soon. It's very nice, guys. But you gotta be careful with the sun. It's very strong, guys, very strong. We're gonna go, I wanna see if they rebuild the place or completely demolish it. Right ahead, this huge villa, it looks like they rebuilt it. So they kept the frame and everything they kept, and now they're building new walls. Super interesting. I did not see this often. So they kept the foundation somehow, but yeah, they built on top of it. So what will it be? A villa? A business? Who knows? But it will be done very quick. And I'm excited also. Look at this, there's a fence. I see more and more construction sites when they fenced it up. This is very nice. So it's not all the dust and all the trash and comes out. You know, it's very good. I think every construction site has to be a big fence, because it's so bad if you drive by with the motorbike and you just inhale the whole dust and rubbish in the see here, this is John. All the rubbish and dust you inhale or get it into your eyes or something like that. Yeah, you gotta be careful, guys. That's why lots of locals actually wear face masks from all that pollution driving around. And even I would cover my mouth if I would drive somewhere. Especially if you drive around all these construction sites, it's also dangerous to your eyes. You should always have some glasses on. If it's nighttime, get some see-through glasses. Always have glasses on. I remember Kenny drove around, not even fast, like 30 kilometers an hour. He drove through an area where they have actually dust and all these kinds of rubbish, and it flew around and in his eye. And then he had an eye infection, and it was very red, and like he couldn't see, and he stayed at home all the time. Be careful, guys. Like this as well. I mean, the fence should be higher and close, right? But always protect your eyes. I also had more eye infections here than ever in my life. Like, I think the dust walking around here so much stays onto my contact lenses, and then I have to actually clean it, or sometimes it's, I don't know, it's like super small particles get stuck there. Yeah, I always wear my sunglasses, guys. I also met David today. Shout out to you, David. You're probably watching too, having me as a background noise to work. It's always funny to hear the stories, how people consume these walking tours. But there are many people doing it. And I read a comment about a German person. I don't know the name. It's hard to read, but she also stayed here, or he, before, and now watching these neighborhoods evolving. I do the same. I do the same sometimes, just looking at the development of Playa del Carmen. And I'm like, oh man, this is where the streets are lived and everything like that. I really enjoy that too. I'm not sure if the blah blah, what I'm talking all the time is interesting, but people probably just want to see the streets, and that's what I'm giving them here. And I'm getting my steps in. I really like to watch these videos too in these places I want to be. But yeah, also on these walks actually I tell you everything I know. So if you would watch everything, you're very well educated about the city, I can tell you that. You know everything. But if you don't want to watch all the videos and all my previous videos for 3 years, you can also get my Google Maps guide. Everything is inside there. Everything tested, not only food, but everything. Especially if you have an emergency, guys. A German just told me the other day, he had an emergency. He did not listen to anything we said or checked his Google Maps guide or anything, but he went to the front office of the hotel and they brought him into a public hospital, not a private hospital. Something, I don't even know how he was able to go in there, but he said it was very bad. Like, it was like 30 people in a room, and it was not a private hospital. It was just like very cheap, probably. I'm not sure. He paid a lot for his surgery, emergency surgery, but it was not good, he said. And I'm like, why don't you take these hospitals I recommend? Like, it's very easy to go. I have 3-4 hospitals. You can go without thinking a second time. Very easy. Just go to the hospitals. We already been. I actually have experience. I did my surgery here in Da Nang. I went to hospitals in Thailand as well. But yeah. And I will even have more experience because we're trying out all the hospitals all the time because we're doing health checks frequently. I also have a lot of friends here who give me a lot of feedback on all kinds of hospitals. Soon I will do a few more health checks. You should always, when you live in Da Nang, or you are in Da Nang, shout out to Glenn. His wife did a full medical check here because it's way cheaper than in America or in the West. I mean, in the West is probably, in Germany, I cannot talk about the West. I mean, I talk about Germany. Usually you don't pay for health checks or something like that. But you will also never get an appointment for any specialist in Germany. If you're not about to die, you don't get an appointment, you know, because it's free, and so there are not that many. It's tough to get an appointment to see a specialist. Here, you pay little money and see a specialist. And I think it's a very good deal. Even if you're from Germany and you have free healthcare, or if you're from Sweden or anything like that, you can still come here and do the health check. It's way more efficient. Get everything checked. Like some specific doctors in Europe, it takes a long time to get an appointment. Here, it's usually done on the same day. Usually done on the same day, guys. This is a perfect street to walk around here when it's nice and cool. There we go. More and more electric motorbikes to rent. Monthly 1.8. And that's just a sign out. You usually can negotiate things like that all the time. If you rent out for some months or so, you can always negotiate everything here. You can smell the laundry here. It smells good in the street because of the laundromat. It smells very nice here. There's also another laundry. It's so nice. I like this fresh laundry smell. Is this already done now here? This building? With the exposed bricks. Oh. Yeah, still a lot of construction here everywhere. I'm gonna meet David right now. He brought me some beautiful wraps, tortilla wraps from Australia. So I'm very grateful for that. I love it. I hope he will never get pulled out from immigration and like having 5 packs of tortilla wraps in his hand luggage. Can you explain this, sir? Yeah, so the tortilla wraps, especially like the specific ones that is high protein tortilla wraps or something like that, it's I think double in Vietnam because they import it basically from Australia. So yeah, so he always brings me that with me. I love it. I'm meeting David right now and probably gonna hide somewhere in the AC again. It's very tough to walk around here. In the shade it's good, in the sun I be very careful, guys. I will probably do more morning and nighttime walks. We have Kiyosachi here. They also have a very good deal for lunch buffet. So if you like to eat a lot of meat and you want to have a buffet, they bring everything onto your table and it's great value, Kiyosachi. Just the only problem I see is sometimes you eat too much meat and then you're like, oh, you're very so filled up and like you're feeling disgusting because too much meat, you know, and then it has, sometimes it's always the same taste and then like, okay, you get a meat color if you eat a lot of them. Sometimes less is better. That's why I like to go to Golden Meat House. I will actually film there today again. And I will also show in this vlog. I think it's coming in the few next days. It's coming out on Social Semi, so you can check it out. Yo, this place here, our camp, they just finished and now they're already changing it again? Like, check this out. What happened here? What happened here? They completely redo everything. They never opened. Now they're doing a new floor. It's crazy. Hotel is done soon. Yeah, this is the worst part here. Like the left side obviously is a construction side, but on this side you cannot walk because it's very messy parking here. The whole street, you have to walk on the street here. I feel like this is the most dangerous part of the Antung area because it's like narrow and a lot of construction trucks driving around here and you have to walk on the street. And all the dust flying around. So many motorbikes here, crazy, so many PCXs, 160cc, so many. Either way, they bought a lot of motorbikes now, or there are not many people renting. Look at how many ADVs they have. Hermosa, Kimco, ADV 160, crazy. So many big bikes here. I think those are the best to drive around in Asia because they are like a proper, like if you have some kind of bad streets, it's more forgiving, let's say it like that. Because if you're like on a small motorbike like this, as a heavy person, you drive and there's like a pothole, you might fall quicker. I think those big bikes are very good, especially for big people. You also don't look that stupid. Like if I drive a normal motorbike, like this, if I would drive a Wave, I would look hilarious. I'm 6'4", and I don't know how much pounds, but over 100 kilos. 120? I don't know how much, a lot. I'm weighing a lot. I'm a big guy. And look at this. This would be a perfect car for me. It's a big child car. Hello. This would be a car for me, man. Whew. Right, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here. I'm gonna meet David right now. See you in the next walk, okay? What's going on here? She's laughing. All right. Check out this video here and see you in the next walk.